network is a private, secure workplace where you can collect and share Klaxoon activities with the audience of your choice. To create a network, click on the New button. Pick Network. Give your network a name and choose an image to illustrate it. Click on Create. You can change the background color and choose between List View and Grid View. You can also sort activities by title, publication owner, or update. Finally, you can give or deny authorization for others to publish content. Welcome to your network. You can now create your first article. Click on the Create button. Then Create Article. Give it a title and add a visual. Here you can write your text. Then click on Publish to share your article. To return to your network, click on the arrow on the top left. You can also add activities to your network by clicking on the New button. Choose between the various Klaxoon activities, for example, a board. Give it a name, add an image, and click on Create. All you have to do now is share your board to find it in the network. Click on Publish. To return to your network, show the navigation bar. Your networks appear here. In your network, you'll find the board you've just created. You can then add other platform activities, such as survey, quiz, or mission. You can organize your content by folder. To do that, click on Create, New Folder. Give it a name and save. Then simply drag and drop your activity or article into the folder. To do a search, go here. Type in the keyword or filter by activity or status. To share your network with your team, click here. You can invite them directly by email, display a QR code if you're in the room, or copy the network link to send it easily. Now you're ready to create and share your first network. To go even further, take a look at the other Klaxoon activity tutorials.